How to fix Instagram blocked action. Have you ever tried to like, follow, or comment on the Instagram only to get hit with the dreaded action blocked message? Super frustrating, right? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, I will show you why this happens and how to fix it. So let's get started. The number one step is to stop all activity for a few hours. Instagram blocks actions when they think you are acting like a bot. If you have been liking too many posts too fast, following or unfollowing too quickly, copy-pasting comments, then your best move is to stop using Instagram for a few hours to let the block reset. The step 2 is to log out and log back in. Sometimes a quick logout can help reset your account. For that, open the Instagram app. Then tap onto your profile icon at the bottom. Then tap onto 3 lines right here. Then tap onto the search bar and type logout. Then tap onto logout and log out from the Instagram app and simply log in back. Next step is to switch your internet connection. Instagram might have flagged your IP address, so try switching your connection. Turn Wi-Fi off and use the mobile data. If possible, try a different Wi-Fi network. Turn the airplane mode on for 30 seconds and then turn it off. And the final step is to report the problem to Instagram. If you think the block is a mistake, you can report it. When you see the action blocked message, tap Tell Us. If that option is not available, go to Settings, and from there you can simply report a problem in the Instagram. And that's it. Hopefully these tips help you to fix the Instagram action block and get back to using your account normally. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.